Move-in ready. Open floor plan living, 4 beds, 2.5 baths. Laminate floor downstairs, carpet upstairs. Large foyer west/cathedral ceilings. Crown molding. Updated light fixtures. First floor laundry. Large, open, eat-in kitchen with central see-through fireplace between family room and kitchen. Kitchen island, marble tile backsplash. Stainless steel appliances, pantry. Living room open to dining room. Large bedrooms, second bedroom has own sitting nook. Primary bedroom boasts ample space west/ensuite. Massive closet west/multi-level storage. Custom shelving built-ins, sub to upper closet areas. Closet of dreams. Primary bathroom has double sinks, separate shower. Large soaking tub, marble tile floors. Large Trex deck, hot tub, large storage shed, white polymer privacy fence. Brick mailbox. Freshly painted throughout. Garage wired for future opener. HVAC and roof under 2 years old. Easy access to highways, entertainment, and dining.